In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade commodities on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to your watch list. This is where you can see the available markets that you can trade. In the watch list, find the commodity you want to trade. This could be a product like gold, silver, oil, or another commodity offered by Pepperstone. After you find the commodity, double-click on it to open its chart. The chart will give you a clear view of the current market movement and pricing activity. Take a moment to review the market price and look over the chart. This will help you understand where the commodity is trading before you place your order. When you are ready to enter the market, click New Order on the top toolbar. You can also right-click directly on the chart and select Place New Order. Either option will open the order window for that commodity. In the order window, first confirm that the correct commodity is selected as the trading symbol. This is important because you want to make sure you are placing the trade on the right market. Next, enter the quantity for your trade. This determines the size of your position, so make sure it matches your trading plan and risk level. You can then optionally set your stop loss and take profit levels. A stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against you. A take profit allows the platform to close the trade automatically once your target price is reached. These settings are useful for managing risk and planning your trade more effectively. Next, choose the direction of your trade. Click Buy if you expect the commodity price to rise. Click Sell if you expect the commodity price to fall. After that, wait for the platform to execute your order. Once the order has been filled, go to the Trade section and check the Positions tab. This is where you can verify that your commodity trade is now active. You will be able to see the position details there, including the instrument, trade size, and current result. That is the full process for placing a commodity trade on Pepperstone using Trader. Follow these steps carefully each time you trade, so you can stay organized and accurate when entering the market. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.